guys, welcome back to my channel. So as many of you know, or many of you probably don't know, that I'm gonna be taking a break from doing my makeup videos on Instagram and also on YouTube. I have just some things going on, so I feel like I just want to kind of take a break for a minute, maybe a few months. I'm not sure yet, but I will be back, so you guys don't worry. So this last video is basically gonna be my updated routine on my flawless makeup, on my flawless basically foundation. So you guys make sure to stay tuned for this video. And I also decided that I'm gonna do a Halloween look on my IG, not a YouTube video, but a Halloween look for IG. I may do it as a tutorial, or I may just, do it and then just take pictures, but I will be doing a Halloween look. So you guys stay tuned for this video. So first we're going to get started and use a moisturizer. This is the Palmer's 24-hour hydration moisturizer, I believe. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my skin because you want to make sure you prep the skin that it's moisturized and it's not dry or flaky. So you want to start off with a really good canvas for your face. So now I'm going to be using the Pore Professional Hydrating Primer and also the Touch and Soul Primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face so we can start setting our foundation so that it goes on very smoothly and very, fresh and very hydrating, and also covering up those pores if you have pores. You can help me, I gotta let go. You say you love me, I need a break, boy. I'm bored to hear fake voice. I'm gonna follow my way. So the foundations I'm using is Shape Tape by Tarte and then Infallible foundation by Loreal, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put this all over my face. It's also blending it in with a really good brush. You wasn't here tonight, listening to the club. I'm in the VIP, and you can't sit with us. You know it, you know it, you love it, you love it. My body, my body never will be in your hands. You know it, you know it, you love it, you love it. My body never will be in your hands. You know it, you know it, you love it, you love it. My body never will be in your hands. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting on the concealer. So the concealers that I'm using is Juvia's Place concealer, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and then I'll also be using the e.l.f. concealer. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in as well once I finish putting on the different concealers. I gotta let go. You say you love me, I need a break, boy. I'm bored to hear your fake voice. I'm gonna follow my way. And also, you guys, a tip that I actually just learned, and I've been doing makeup since freaking 2014. Hold on. I dropped my brush. But yeah, a tip that I just found out for concealer is that when you put it on, your areas you want to get more highlight, is sit under or sit in front of a fan and just let the concealer dry a little bit so it sets in really well, and then start to blend it, because that actually helps with defining your makeup look when you start to contour. So I just found this out, like I think last week, from a YouTuber. I forgot her name, but it's a really good tip, you guys, if you really want this concealer to define your contour look when doing your makeup. So I highly recommend it. So back to my tutorial.
Intentions, yeah, some attention, don't want hesitation. You can play my game.
Okay, so now I'm going to use my Anastasia contour palette. I literally like never really use this palette, but I decided to try it because I really wanted to make sure my face was very contoured, but also very flawless and very also natural. So I'm going ahead and just use this brush to start contouring those areas, starting on my nose.
Intentions, yeah, some attention, don't want hesitation. You can play my game. You will see me tonight, dancing into the club. I'm in the VIP, and you can sit with us. You know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands. You know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands. You know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands.
So now to deepen up the contour look, I'm just going to use the Itsrayeraye palette, and I'm using that color Brownie Bite to just darken up the contour area a little bit. Usually some people would use a bronzer, but I don't really want to use a bronzer for this look. So I'm just going to lightly dab it, and then I'm going to slowly just start blending that into the areas that I want to contour. Okay, you guys, so I completely freaking forgot to put my lashes on and my eyeliner. So I'm not gonna do eyeshadow because I want this look to be just about, you know, the foundation, you know, it being flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on and my eyeliner on off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, another tip that I have for you guys is when you're blending underneath like the eye area, sometimes you get those lines, and I've gotten them, I know you guys have, and what I do is to like not get those like line creases is to kind of pat in the concealer, like blend it in, but like press. You really have to like press it in. Like I'm doing here. Sorry you guys, I just got a text message, so I was looking at it. But you just wanna press it in with the beauty blender like this. Okay, that's another tip I have for you guys. So back to the tutorial.
I'm gonna follow my way. I know your intentions. Yeah, some attention. Don't want hesitation. You can play in my game.
This is my flawless updated makeup routine, you guys. I do this routine all the time, and I actually love how the concealer really highlights the areas when I contour. It looks great. And I know, you guys, this is my very last video, but I will be back soon, so don't worry. And I just appreciate my subscribers and followers on IG, on social media. I appreciate all of you guys, and I love you all, and thank you for tuning in. Bye, you guys.